Gujranwala, an industrial and commercial nurse center of Pakistan located near the historical city of Lahore, with dynamic people caring for educational enlightenment and welcoming social change. The determined youth aspire to leap forward and keen to grasp wisdom and skill. GIFT University is the first ever chartered university of Gujranwala. GIFT provides a perfect atmosphere for advancement of knowledge in modern sciences and technologies. GIFT is a brainchild of a distinguished entrepreneur, Mr. Muhammad Anwar Dar.
Welcome to GIFT University, established in Gujranwala, an emerging city with more than 5 million people between Lahore and Islamabad. Our main objective of establishing GIFT is to raise the standards of education in the region, including other cities like Sialkot, Gujarat and Wazirabad. Our focus is on educating people in modern sciences and technologies and preparing them to face the challenges of the new era. The GIFT campus is a replica of modern art, providing all facilities required in the modern university. You are most welcome to visit our website, and I'll be happy to receive your personal comments and suggestions to improve our facilities for education and life on campus. GIFT University is your university.
Here, an experienced and renowned faculty of scholars and professionals endeavor to groom the youth intellectually and spiritually. These young individuals are to become dynamic and contributing members of the society, prepared to combat the diverse and competitive global challenges. The academic structure meets the international standards and presents an appropriate blend of the disciplines of computer science, business and commerce, management sciences, arts and social sciences, accounting and finance, fine arts, design and architecture. At the undergraduate level, we offer a 4-year BSc Honours degree in accounting and finance, which offers deep and practical knowledge in a global context from world-class faculty. Achieve a qualification that widens your academic opportunities and is your first step to business leadership positions.
I was all set for flying off to a big city for earning my bachelor's degree. But GIFT provided me a chance to get quality education while staying in my hometown. Now when I'm here, I have a carefree future. Thumbs up for GIFT.
A 4-year BSc Honours degree in computer science, which grounds the student in the theory of computer science, strongly supported by mathematics and science courses, culminates with practical hands-on project rooted in the latest tools and technologies.
After studying in the premier institutions of the country, I couldn't have adjusted myself anywhere else than GIFT. Whatever you want from an educational institution, you find it here. Facilities, education, staff, environment. It's simply perfect. Thanks, GIFT.
A 4-year BSc Honours degree in management sciences geared towards the provision of entrepreneurial qualities in the students to build the successful organizations of the future. Also offered at the undergraduate level is the 4-year degree of Bachelor of Design in Textile and Fashion Design, which stresses that the aesthetic disciplines are essential for civilized life of people. The program focuses on making of the fabric, its design, and its utilization in cladding, which underpins fashion activities. At the graduate level, we offer MA English in Language and Literature, which offers a fine blend of literature and language to enhance the intellectual maturity and professional strength of its students.
It was really difficult for me to cope with the changed atmosphere while coming my way back from Bahrain. But GIFT made it too easy to adjust myself back home. Friendly academic environment has been provided to us, and we are glad to be a part of GIFT University.
MBA offers the second case-based school in the country along the lines of leading institutions of higher learning. Case-based teaching is an acknowledged methodology for imbibing critical business and management skills. MSc Accounting and Finance is aimed at providing the theoretical framework and skills that accountant and financial managers need in order to cope with an increasingly complex and global accounting environment.
It is my firm belief that to elevate Pakistan to a respectable and commanding position in the modern world, there must be dynamism in our vision. Being a prestigious seat of higher learning, we at GIFT University provide plentiful opportunities to explore a broad spectrum of knowledge that grooms the young persons of ability into future leaders and innovators in all spheres of life. GIFT's serene environment, provides a perfect atmosphere for learning and research. The purpose-built campus is equipped with modern facilities and resources. National and international linkages keep students updated about the latest developments in various fields. Our various faculty members remained a source of inspiration for our youth. They develop their personal traits and produce quality academics. Earn bright future with GIFT University.
We strive incessantly to build a congenial learning environment with all resourcefulness. The modern campus of the university comprises of well-furnished and centrally air-conditioned classrooms with latest audio-visual and teaching aids. The high-tech computer laboratories have fast, always-on access to the internet. The library is a rich resource center too. The discussion rooms provide an analytical academic atmosphere facilitating free and open inquiry. On the student affairs desk, you come across a caring and
Let's go. Yeah.
professionals.
The management of this university is offering to young people of this region, which is basically a region has been deprived from these facilities in the past. The nearest university in the past was about 45 to 50 miles. Now they have a university at home. I believe this university has a great future. I believe this university is in safe hands, and I believe a person who actually initiated single-handed deserve our help and support, and I wish them every success. Thank you.
I am from Dubai. My roots are here as my forefathers are from this region. So I decided to study in the country of my forefathers. Well, I joined GIFT and GIFT Girls Hostel and found it a place par excellence. In fact, nothing like GIFT. It's really wonderful.
Well, the atmosphere of the hostel is very friendly. We live here as a family. I am here since last 2 years in hostel and doing BBA program. Today I am very happy with GIFT and my second home, GIFT Hostel.
We provide our graduates a doorway to successful professional careers by establishing professional links with local as well as international organizations and institutes of repute. GIFT University is a symbol of enlightenment and service to mankind. As a graduate from GIFT, be sure of your place amongst the highly selected team of professionals